Hey everyone! Recently, the Studio Ghibli AI style has taken the internet by storm. But chatgpt 4.0 requires a subscription. So today, I'll show you how to create Studio Ghibli-style images and memes for free using Fotor's GoArt. First, go to Fotor GoArt, a powerful AI tool that transforms your photos into stunning art styles. Click Upload and choose a photo, portraits, landscapes, or even viral memes. Now scroll through the styles and select the Ghibli Art 1 that resembles the dreamy, hand-painted look of Studio Ghibli. Once you're happy with the result, hit Download. Here are Download Preview and Download HD. The first one is free, and the second needs a Fotor's subscription. Want to make a meme? You can also upload the viral meme and turn it into your own viral Ghibli-style meme. That's it. No paid AI needed, just Fotor's GoArt for free. Try it out and let me know what you create in the comment.